Hello, in this program we're going to write a recursive function that removes all the zeros. So it's going to return to you an integer. Let's call it remove 0. The input will be an integer. Alright, so now we need to find out whether we want to remove the zeros or not. So if x is less than 10, then just return x. In other words, any number less than 10 that's not 0 is just going to return the number itself. Or else, if x modulo 10 is equal to 0, in other words, if the last number is equal to 0, then return remove 0 x divided by 10. In other words, get rid of the last number. Else, if x, or just else, if it's not less than 10 and the last number is not 0, return remove 0 x divided by 10 times 10 plus x modulo 10. Pretty much all this just means reconstruct the number. This is pretty helpful in recursion, so keep this equation in mind. Alright, let me show you how this would work. So let me copy and paste to Paint. Alright, so let me just move this to the side. Alright, so let's get to work. So let's use this number as an example. Alright, so it's going to say, is this number less than 10? No, so it's going to move on. Is this number, is the last digit 0? Nope, so it's going to move on. It's going to say, remove 0, remove 0. This number divided by 10 would be 9030 times 10 plus x modulo 10 would be 3 plus 3. Alright, so now it's going to move on again. Now the number is going to be 9030. So is 9030 less than 10? Nope, so it's going to skip this. X modulo 10 is equal to 0. So it's going to return remove 0 903. It's going to keep going. So now is 903 less than 10? No. Is the last digit 0? No. So it's going to return remove 0 90 times 10 plus 3. So it's going to keep going again. Is 90 less than 10? No. Is the last digit 0? Yes. So it's going to return remove 0 of 9. So now it does it one last time. Is 9 less than 10? Yes. So it's going to return 9. Alright, so now it knows remove 0 of 9 is just 9. So it's going to return 9 here. Remove 0 of 90 is 9. 9 times 10 is 90 plus 3 is equal to 93. So the 93 goes up here. Remove 0 of 903 is equal to 93. And it goes up here. Remove 0 of 9030 times 10 plus 3 is 933. And if you were to remove all the zeros here, it would leave you with 933, which is what we got. Alright, so the function should work. Let's make a program that will run it. So we're going to need an integer. Tell the user to enter a number. The user will enter a number. Now we're going to see out remove 0 of that number. finish the program. It's going to tell me to enter a number. Let's say 10, 90, 80. It should return 198, and it returns 198. Alright, I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching.